Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch to pay at a store. First, let's get your watch set up for payments. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to the Wallet and Apple Pay section. From there, tap Add Card and follow the simple on-screen steps to link your preferred credit or debit card. You might need to quickly verify the card with your bank, which usually takes just a moment. Once your card is added, paying is incredibly easy. When you're ready to check out, simply double-click the side button on your Apple Watch. Your default payment card will automatically appear on the display. Now, hold your watch face within a few centimeters of the store's contactless payment reader. You'll feel a gentle tap on your wrist and see a check mark on the screen, confirming your payment was successful in just a couple of seconds. If you have multiple cards set up, you can easily switch between them. After double-clicking the side button, just swipe left or right on your watch screen to choose the desired card. For added security, you might be prompted to enter your Apple Watch passcode. Remember, Apple Pay uses device-specific numbers and unique transaction codes, making it incredibly secure. Some larger purchases might still require a PIN on the store's terminal, just like a regular card. Using your Apple Watch for payments offers significant benefits. It's far more secure than using a physical card, as your card number is never stored on your device or shared with merchants. Plus, it's incredibly convenient and fast, saving you precious time at the checkout. Always look for the contactless payment symbol, which looks like 4 curved lines, at the register. Just ensure your watch is charged and securely on your wrist for seamless transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.